We are taking you through the remarkable journey of a company that transcended geographical barriers from a landlocked location in the most populous state of India, Uttar Pradesh, to acquire customers across continents and countries in its pursuit of excellence. Welcome to Chopra Retec Rubber Products Limited, or CRRPL, which is today amongst the leading manufacturers of niche, rubber and rubber-to-metal bonded parts for critical applications for passenger vehicles of almost all makes and models that drive on the planet. With over 5 decades of dedicated manufacturing experience, CRRPL supplies to both OEMs and the aftermarket an enviable range for exhaust suspension and ride control parts. The niche segment they address is that of noise, vibration and harshness application parts using the latest manufacturing equipment to fulfill the needs of today's high-technology passenger cars. Having started modestly in the 70s, the company has grown into a global market leader and is today headed by the father and son duo of Kiran and Pranay Chopra. Kiran, a rubber technologist from the UK, and Pranay, a management professional, have put together a crack team of 130 people who innovate, design, develop, and manufacture products in their state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Lucknow. What makes CRRPL different from other companies is top-class communication, on-time deliveries, consistent top quality, using Poker-Yoker, 5S and Kaizen, customer branding, and packaging. And above all, competitive pricing and best-in-class equipment and practices. CRRPL today has an impressive range of over 1,300 parts which they supply to marquee customers in 30+ countries across continents for over 4 decades now. What is fascinating to know is that in their entire journey, CRRPL has never lost a customer and have, over the years, built their business around strong relationships and partnerships.
Hi, my name is Kiran Chopra. I am the Chairman and Managing Director of Chopra Retec Rubber Products Limited. We don't just sell a product, we sell complete customer experience. And that is what brings back our customers again and again for more of the same.
Hi, I am Pranay Chopra, the Joint Managing Director of Chopra Retec. We take customer experiences to a different level altogether. We don't only meet the expectations of the customer, but we exceed them.
CRRPL boasts of an enviable list of customers, including global market leaders in the niche product categories that they service. This also includes the iconic Aston Martin. Yes, they only bond with the best. CRRPL continues to set new benchmarks for ethics, corporate governance, human values, environment, and societal development. It's a company with a heart. Chopra Retec Rubber Products Limited has been repeatedly awarded for their excellence by various bodies and organizations. We welcome you to be a part of our journey of continued excellence.